Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So after a long time I am back and I'm going to give you update on the complete counseling progress as of now. The choice filling is going on and you must be putting a lot of effort on the choice filling for MCC counseling. For all the state counseling including all India MCC, I'm going to give you an update because few more states have started the registration, and which are the states where the registration is still pending and the schedule is not updated. Okay, so you can contact us on 9319 for counseling guidance. Okay, and you can join our Telegram group also. So talking about the round one registration is over for all India MCC counseling. Okay, by 12 midday. Okay, and the choice filling will go on up to 25th, and you can get the result on 28th. Next state is Andhra Pradesh. Cat A has already closed its registration up to 14th, and Cat B registration closed up to 15th, and both Cat A and Cat B have published their merit list. The choice filling date is yet to be announced. Bihar is an open state and their registration is going on up to 26th. You have the date. 2 lakhs deposit you need to pay over there. Chhattisgarh, today they started their registration, and choice filling also you can do parallelly. There are just 2 colleges over there from 23rd to 2nd of October. In Gujarat state, the registration is completed. Up to 21st there was the date, and verification process is also over, offline verification process. Haryana, then Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Telangana, Cat B only, and these states, these 4 registrations are still pending to be open. Himachal Pradesh has completed its registration process, and the merit is also published today. Karnataka, up to today, the registration will go on, and candidate faced a lot of issues during registration. So many different types of error. So somehow you can do the registration smoothly now, and the offline document verification schedule is also published from 26th onwards. So you can check your schedule and you can go for offline verification. There is no security deposit, but before round 2, if you want to proceed for round 2 counseling, they will keep your original documents. Kerala registration closed on 22nd. Maharashtra has started its registration up to 26th is the date, and choice filling will start from 28th up to 2nd, and on 3rd you can expect the result. Madhya Pradesh, the registration is closed, and from 24th the choice filling will start. In a state of Pondicherry, the choice filling registration both are closed. They have published the merit list also. Punjab state closed its registration and merit is also published. In Rajasthan state, you can do the registration up to 25th, and the choice filling from 28th to 30th, and on 4th you can get the result. Tamil Nadu state was on hold, but they resumed this process, and they gave like 2 days of time from 21st to 22nd for the registration. And there was a change in rule for NRI status also. Earlier there was a provision that only parents are allowed, or OCI candidate or NRI candidates are allowed, but now the candidates who are having their blood relatives as NRI, they can also sponsor the education. So it will definitely impact negatively the cutoff over there, since there was so much of limitation regarding the status about NRI or the sponsorship eligibility about NRI in Tamil Nadu. So the cutoff was very low, but the cutoff will take huge negative shift this year. Telangana CAT is registration closed, but for CAT B is not open yet. In Uttarakhand, you can see it's still pending. Odisha state has closed its registration process. Uttar Pradesh is still pending. West Bengal, by today is the last date, and you have to complete the verification process also offline. Jharkhand, the registration is closed and the choice filling from 28th to 1st of October, and 4th is the result. One state I am missing, Jammu and Kashmir. The registration process is going on, okay, in Jammu and Kashmir. So this is complete status tracker. Okay, I'll share this document over Telegram. Okay, you can access it from there. So that's all from my side. Have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.